it's me, Naturally TC, coming at you with this wash and go. Well, it's a cut, color, and wash and go video. I'm gonna trim up the client first and kind of give her a little shape to her cut. She's been natural for about a year and she hasn't really done anything to her hair but wore braids. So I'm just gonna taper it up a bit. Not a bit, but taper it up pretty good. Look at me. I'm always like in mid, I'm doing my hair too. But yeah, and don't look at, see, this is what I be saying. Nobody at the shop be thinking about edging my head. Like, oh, the struggle's so real. Anyway, so I'm gonna taper up her pretty good in the back and then take the sides down a bit and give her a refresher color. We're just going to do a regular jet black. And then I'm gonna go in. I actually tried, I'm using Diva Curls line right now, and it's pretty nice, pretty moisturizing. I like it a lot. Oh my goodness, my mom is texting me about COVID. My mom is a COVID advocate, and I'm just believing God that he'll continue to keep me how he has. Anywho, yeah, so I guess I just cleaned up in between my clients. That's my one. I have 3 relaxed clients, and that was the one that's Miss Easley, and she comes to me every week for her shortcut. I am recording. Shh. So I'm going in. First I tried Diva Curls. This is the point. I tried Diva Curls gel first, and it actually works really good, but not on this texture of hair. She needed something a little bit heavier, so I'm just using the Eco Styling gel. And as you can see, what I do is I put the gel on the hair and I use the detangling comb to create the coils and just piecing it out using my fingers, twirling it, and it's going to give you a real nice coil. I'm going to do a video on, even on my hair. My hair is pretty coarse, and I could do this to my hair and it comes out nice as long as you have like some sort of curl pattern. Some people's hair is not curly, it doesn't coil, it goes like in zigzags, so they don't have that. And some people, their natural hair tends to be straighter, so you can't achieve this look. But with your hair curls and coils, you can definitely achieve this look. You have to use plenty of product though, like saturate the hair with the product because you don't want it to get fuzzy or dry out. And I like Eco, you know, it's a no alcohol. That's what the containers say no alcohol, but I don't have a problem with it. I always like do a lot of conditioning treatments on my hair anyway, so by the time, and I don't keep a hairstyle for 2 days. I know it's an issue. Like every 2 days I'm changing my hair. Either I got on a wig or I'm natural, or I don't know, some days I just want to cut it off and go platinum and call it a day. But I'm rocking with it. So anyway, yep, that's what I'm going to do. Make sure you guys are following me on Facebook and Instagram. I am Naturally TC, coming at you with these natural videos. Guys, I do, for real, have a product kit coming out very soon for your wash and goes. There's going to be everything you need for a wash and go. So please stay tuned. I love y'all so much. Thank you for watching.